Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, DevSecOps. Today we are going to discuss about the most important topic about the Docker and the Kubernetes, about building then pushing the images to the Amazon Elastic Container Registry. So what is the Elastic Container Registry? So Elastic Container Registry is used for storing the images in AWS. Okay, it's an image repository, you can tell, and it will store the images for you in AWS. I'm just navigating to the image repository. I have created a private repository or registry over here named the DevSecOps, and its URI. URI is nothing but the address for pushing the images to this repository. See, no images are there. In this demo, we will try to run the pipeline and then push the image to this repository. Okay. First things first. So in this demo, we are just going to use a Kaniko operator. So what is a Kaniko operator? Kaniko operator is used for building and pushing the images. Okay. It can be used for building and pushing the images to GitLab registry or AWS ECR, even Google Container Registry. So please use a Kaniko registry. What is the main advantages of Kaniko registry? I think some of you guys are familiar when you use the GitLab. There is a Docker and Docker concept of about running a Docker daemon inside a Docker client, and it's like a lot of security concerns are there, and a lot of errors will be there. A lot of issues will be there because runners will be running in a host machine. A lot of privileges will be there. Issues will be there. So, and even Docker and Docker is very slow. My suggestion is please go for a Kaniko operator. Okay. In this demo, we are going to build and push the images using a short commit. So it's very handy for us. And yeah, we will deep dive into that. Let me just show the piece of code how it will be. I have an image repository over here, and then I need a Docker file for building the images. So Docker file is nothing but it will consist of the instructions for building an image. And if you see here, I am just taking from means like I'm just pulling the image from a Docker Hub registry, and then Nginx latest is like a latest is a tagging, and Nginx is a web server image. I'm just trying to pull the web server image, and then it's a web server, right? So I need an index.html page, right? So I'm just adding an index.html page. Okay, where that is, what does it mean? Add this file index.html to user share nginx html inside the image. Okay, so I can show you the index.html file. It will be, everything will be checked. It should be checked into this directory. It will be like a single line of file. Welcome to my DevSecOps channel. Okay. So this is the index.html. I'm just going to bake this file into this image and then push it to the EC2 container registry. Okay. Right now, I don't have any images over here. Okay, before that, how does the GitLab communicates with the AWS? Okay, normally, right, you need to configure AWS access key and secret key. Okay, in GitLab, whenever you create an AWS account, you have the privileges of creating access key and secret key. You need to configure that in the GitLab pipeline. If you see here, there is a GitLab variable, so you need to push in like AWS access key ID and then secret access key. Okay, and then the default region as well. Okay, you need to configure this one. This is a prerequisite. Okay, so let us deep dive into the demo session right now. Okay, before that, now I will tag my image with a short commit ID. Okay, I'll just show you once I done the demo. I'll just build this pipeline. Right now, no images are here. Let me build the pipeline over here. See, it will be super fast. Okay, Kaniko operator is super fast operator. Please use this one. Okay. See, it's just trying to build and push the images to my Elastic Container Registry. It should be done in some time. Yeah, if you see this one, see, done. So it's very fast, right? I should have my image over here. Yeah, hooray! I have the image. It's just 71 MB, and then see my image. No, how it is tagged EOE9A221. Okay, how does this tag comes from? I have not given any tagging. If I go to my pipeline, I can see my commit ID over there. it should be tagged with that commit ID. Okay. So this pipeline, this is the pipeline over here. See, this is you're created for a commit, right? This is one of the commit, right? This number or the commit ID will be tagged with this image. So it will be like a unique image for your CI/CD pipeline. Okay. See how much fast no it is there. Just 15 seconds. Okay. 15 seconds is like zoom, right? So please use this operator. Okay. Kaniko operator. Having been said that, I will just upload this piece of code in this the GitHub public repository. I'll also place that in my description. I'm planning to release a lot of videos for DevOps and Kubernetes, and please subscribe my channel. It will be very helpful for me. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next video session. Bye.